You don't look at me in the face and lie to me. Your father is planning on getting you a second wife.
I don't want anybody to waste my time with your serious life.
My princess, please don't.
Father! Juma! Everyone in this palace is sick. My wife, my daughter, and even some of the maids.
Ask your father what he is hiding from you. If he doesn't tell you, it will kill you.
Tell me what I need to know, or I will set this house on fire.
Some things are better learnt at the feet of your father.
I am going to destroy this kingdom, and I will take my own life, instead of the gods taking my life. You fooled me?
No, my king. I was on a call with my brother.
You are evil.
Ego, you slept with my husband. How could you? How could you?
Stop it already. I am not your enemy. And I'm definitely not the lazy one who refused to give the throne an heir. Because you failed woefully.
How dare you talk to me like that? Have you got nuts? Are you insane?
I want to be the next king of Isiala.
I can only allow you to take over the throne when I'm dead.
We cannot crown you the king of Isiala kingdom. The gods will kill all of us. The throne of Isiala kingdom will come under a tug of war.
I cannot sit and watch my enemies take this throne.
Then we will see how it dances well when the rain music begins.
Take your stupid bag and get out of my house! Get out! I am going nowhere! Her services are no longer required in this palace. Let her leave my house! Get out!
You are the one who will soon leave your bedroom for her. Take her things back into the house.
What?
Before I get angry with you.